Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've given up on losing weight or believe you're too out of shape to begin exercising, it's possible that you just haven't found a plan that works for you. Some weight loss strategies have been scientifically proven, so we've devised 4 ways for losing 75 pounds. This includes acquiring new habits for tactics to assist you in staying on track. Let's get started. Number 4. Exercise. Exercising is one of the most popular strategies for people who want to lose weight. It helps you lose weight since it burns calories. You can lose weight by engaging in a range of exercises. Calorie-burning activities include walking, jogging, running, cycling, swimming, weight training, and yoga. Walking is one of the most efficient ways to lose weight. It's a practical and straightforward approach for newbies to begin exercising without feeling overwhelmed or having to invest in expensive equipment. It's also a low-impact exercise, which means your joints won't be overworked. Running and jogging are excellent weight loss exercises. Furthermore, research has shown that jogging and running can help burn dangerous visceral fat known as belly fat. These activities can be done anywhere and easily included in your weekly schedule. To begin, try to jog for 20 to 30 minutes 3 to 4 times per week. If jogging or running outside is too difficult for your joints, try running on softer terrain like grass. Many treadmills also come with built-in padding, which makes your joints more comfortable. Cycling is also beneficial to people of all fitness levels, from beginners to top athletes. It's also a non-weight-bearing, low-impact workout so that it won't put too much strain on your body. Swimming is an excellent way to stay in shape and lose weight. It has the advantage of being low-impact, which makes it gentler on your joints. This makes it an excellent option for anyone suffering from joint pain or injury. Yoga is a popular technique of stress relief and exercise. While it isn't often thought of as a weight loss activity, it does burn a lot of calories and has plenty of other health benefits that can help weight loss. Yoga classes are available at most gyms, but you can practice yoga anywhere. This can be done from the convenience of your own home, as there are numerous guided instructions available online. Lifting weights provides a lot of advantages. It will help you burn a lot of calories. Lifting weights 3 to 4 times a week at a gym is a great idea. Seek help from a trainer if you're new to the gym. Any new workout habits should be discussed with your doctor. The most important thing to do is to do something that you enjoy. This increases your chances of sticking with it in the long run and seeing results over time. Number 3. Best diet. Almost every diet book will claim to have all the secrets to losing weight and keeping it off. Some claim that eating less and exercising more is the answer, while others argue that eating low fat is the only way to avoid carbs. So, what are you supposed to believe? The truth is that there is no such thing as a one-size-fits-all strategy for long-term, healthy weight loss, because our bodies respond differently to different foods depending on genetics and other health considerations. What works for one person may not work for you. Finding that weight loss strategy that is suitable for you will most likely take some time and patience, as well as experimenting with different diets and methods. So, if you don't want to go over your calorie limit, plan your breakfast, lunch, supper, and snacks for the week. If you skip breakfast, you will not lose weight. You may be losing out on critical nutrients, and as a result of your hunger, you may find yourself eating more throughout the day. To avoid temptation, keep junk food such as chocolate, biscuits, crisps, and sweet fizzy drinks out of the house. Instead, include healthy snacks like fruit, unsalted rice cakes, oat cakes, unsalted or unsweetened popcorn, and fruit juice. The general rule of thumb while trying to lose weight is to consume 500 fewer calories than your body requires to maintain your current weight. This will assist you in losing approximately 1 pound of body weight per week. Cutting calories without considering what you eat is usually not a long-term solution for weight loss. Choosing nutrient-dense foods over nutrient-poor foods will benefit your health more. Though it may work for some, most individuals eventually grow hungry and return to their old routines. As a result, it's highly recommended that you make a few more long-term changes to assist you in maintaining a calorie deficit without feeling hungry. Protein is king when it comes to losing weight. Adding protein to your diet is a quick and easy approach to shed 75 pounds with no effort. Eliminating liquid sugar calories from your diet is another relatively simple modification you can make. Sodas, fruit juices, chocolate milk, and other sugary beverages fall into this category. Liquid calories are not registered in the same way as solid calories are. Drinking extra water is an easy way to help you lose weight. According to studies, drinking water might enhance your calorie burn for up to 90 minutes. Drinking 8 ounces of glasses of water each day will help you burn 96 calories more per day. Cutting carbs is an excellent solution to lose weight since it suppresses your appetite and causes you to consume fewer calories. Compared to a calorie-restricted low-fat diet, consuming a low-carb diet until fullness can help you lose 2 to 3 times as much weight. Just be sure you're not cutting too much calories and risking your health. It takes time for your body to adjust to a new lifestyle and food pattern. To get actual weight loss results that last, do it carefully and make minor adjustments. Number 2, sufficient sleep. If you're attempting to lose 75 pounds, getting enough sleep may be just as crucial as what you eat and how much you exercise. Sleep is an essential component of a healthy lifestyle and long-term weight loss. To avoid hunger hormone disturbance, it is highly advised that you sleep 7 to 9 hours per day. A person who sleeps too little or too much will gain 3 to 5 pounds. As a result, you should sleep more frequently if you want to reduce weight. Sleep deprivation can boost hunger by altering hormones, making us more prone to eat unhealthy foods and losing body fat while managing calories. While you may not control the factors that disturb your sleep, you can create sleep-enhancing practices. Before going to bed, make sure you're not hungry or stuffed. Within a couple of hours after going to bed, avoid eating anything heavy or solid. You'll probably be awake by your discomfort. Make a sleep-friendly environment. This usually includes something cool, dark, and silent. If you're exposed to light, falling asleep may be more difficult. Avoid utilizing light-emitting screens for an extended period before going to bed. Regular physical activity can help you sleep better. However, avoid being active too close to nighttime. Spending time outside every day could also be beneficial. Try to put your worries and anxiety aside before going to bed. Make a mental note of what's on your mind and set it aside for tomorrow. Stress management may be beneficial. Begin with the fundamentals such as being organized, prioritizing, and assigning chores. Meditation can also help with anxiety. Nearly everyone has a sleepless night now and then, but if you're having difficulty sleeping regularly, you should go see a doctor. You may get the better sleep you deserve by identifying and treating any underlying issues. Number 1, stay motivated. Many people believe that motivation is a mysterious quality that only a few people possess. However, there are simple ways that anyone can learn to help them discover motivation to lose weight, get in shape, or become healthier. People usually start an exercise or weight loss program for external reasons like their clothes don't fit, their doctor has advised them to lose weight, and family and friends have pushed them to do so. These external influences are excellent to help you get things started. Allow external pressure to motivate you to seek information while you are under pressure to reduce weight. Although you may not be ready to start a diet, you can learn more about weight loss and exercise programs. Before you commit to a full-scale weight loss program, see if you can take any big action to enhance your health. Consult your doctor about the impact of adopting minor dietary or lifestyle changes. You may be aware that exercise is beneficial for your health and that you will feel better after completing a workout, but you may still find it challenging to get to the gym on some days. Promise yourself a nutritious treat on those days. Set the DVR to record your favorite TV or get some bubble bath and relax in the tub once you finished your workout. It becomes so much simpler to believe that higher ambitions are achievable when you recognize the achievement of minor efforts. You start to have faith in yourself and your abilities to improve your health by losing weight. Losing 75 pounds will take time. Wait patiently. Prepare to lose weight slowly and steadily over several months. So, guys, we've reached the end of this video. Thank you for tuning in. Stay updated for more videos.